Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can set heart rate zones in Garmin Connect app. So this method allows you to type values quickly and sync them to your device. Okay, so open up the Garmin Connect app on your phone, then tap more here at the bottom right corner, scroll down to the Garmin devices, then wait a little bit, select your device. Scroll down to the user settings, click on it, and now at the bottom you will see heart rate zones. Click on that, and just right here you can set up yourself the zones and max heart rate. This is heart rate, then we have running zones, cycling zones, swimming zones if you prefer swimming. And yeah, now you can type in the values if you know them, and that's it. Here you can also select based on, so you can have percentage of max heart rate, percentage of lactate threshold, or percentage of heart rate reserve. And yeah, this is how it's then based on. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next